Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro mode works on the Huawei Nova Y61. To open Camera Pro mode on this device, you have to go for the More modes and select Pro mode. It appears in this place. Let me just rotate. Okay. At the first, I can recommend you to click on this icon and take a look for description of every parameter, so you will know what is going on right here. Right now I'm going to show you how you can adjust these parameters. Start first from this option. That's matrix metering. We can change it only manually. Next option, it's ISO. We can set it automatically by tapping on this button and moving on the slider manually. Here we can pick the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds and also manually. Next parameter, it's exposure compensation. We can set it between +4 and -4, and as you can see, we can only adjust this parameter manually. Next, we can find focus range. So when I go for the third option, we can set manually focus range. So if you want to get focus on the objects that are close to your lens, you can just make it like that. As you can see right now, this button is in the focus, but when I'm gonna set like that, we have to move our phone for like this range, and right now this object will be in the focus. Next, we can find white balance with the few presets. And also the manual adjustment. When you go right here, we can enable AF Assist Light, we can change photo format or turn on flashlight. And that's all for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.